So, in today's video, I will tell you how you can create a WhatsApp group. First, you need to open WhatsApp. It works with either WhatsApp Business or regular WhatsApp. Now, I am using WhatsApp Business as you can see. After opening WhatsApp, you need to come here and click on New Group. Because you cannot create an empty group, you must add a contact from your list. You could save your own number and add it. Or if you have another saved number, you can add that. Here, I have selected a contact. Then, you have to click on Go. Now, you need to give your group a name. I have given the names. After that, click on Tick. Now, my group has been created as you can see here. Now, how to set a profile picture and edit its description and so on, you will find a complete playlist on my channel for that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.